In this video, I will tell you about making this simple 2D drawing. And for that, I'll start with line tool. So I'll go to line and click at any point in the drawing area and make a horizontal line of length 32 units and press enter. Press enter again to exit the command, and here we have the line. Let's zoom in a little bit and now go to circle tool. And now I'll go to the end point of this line and make a circle with radius 1 unit. Now press enter again, go to the same point, and this time enter the radius of 2 unit and press enter. Okay, so we have this part. Now let's press enter again to go to the center here, and now I'll go to this one, this midpoint, and add the radius of 4.2 unit, because you can see that there is a circle with diameter 8.4, so that makes radius 4.2. Now press enter again, and now go to the same center point and add the radius of 8 unit. As you can see that there is a circle, actually an arc of radius 8. Well, that's a complete circle which we can later on trim to get the circle which we need. So there we have it. Now you can make both of these circles again, or you can make a copy. So I'll select them both, go to copy, select it and copy it on this side. Okay, so now we can add the tangent lines. So for that, go to line tool and press and hold your shift key. So that's the trick which you need to be aware of in this tool or in this drawing. So press and hold shift key. Now this small smiley face will show up on the tooltip of your cursor. Now right click and select tangent. Now click anywhere on this circle, then repeat the process. Press and hold shift, right click, select tangent, click on this circle, and it will exactly add the tangent which you need. Now you can repeat the process for all the 4 sides, or you can use the mirror tool. So in this case, I'm going to use the mirror tool. So I'll go to mirror, select the line and press enter. Now I'll go to this center point and click on this center point, and there we have it, the mirror image. Now once again, select both of these, go to mirror tool and go to this center point and click exactly upwards and press enter again. Well, that's our final geometry, but still we have 2 small slots to add. So let's first get rid of this line, and let's also trim the extra part which is not required. So we don't need this and this. Okay, now to make the slots, once again go to circle tool, click on the center, and now make a circle with radius of 10 unit, press enter. Press enter again to repeat this one. Go to the same center and make the circle with radius 11 and press enter. Okay, so now we need to make some offsets, and in this case we can use this line. So just make a line that starts from the center and just click on this center point like this. Go to offset tool and add an offset distance of 3 unit and press enter. Click on this line, click upwards, click on this line and click in the downward direction. Okay, now we can trim it. So go to trim, press enter and trim carefully these parts only, so that we are left with the slot. Alright, now we can remove all the parts, all the geometries which are no longer needed. For example, all of these, including these 2 small line segments, and I'll just erase them. Now we can make a copy of this. So select it and go to mirror tool, and using mirror will make the copy, the mirrored copy. Now go to center and once again click exactly in the upward direction and press enter. Well, there we have it. So almost this drawing is finished except these 2 trims. So let's go to trim, press enter and get rid of these 2 arcs, and that completes our 2D drawing.